Welcome to MENA MedTech Insights. Last week, the diabetes technology landscape in the Middle East saw a significant development. Roche Diagnostics officially launched its new AccuCheck SmartGuide Continuous Glucose Monitoring, or CGM, system in the United Arab Emirates. This move signals a major offensive in a market with immense potential, but also fierce competition. The Gulf Cooperation Council countries have some of the highest rates of diabetes globally, creating a massive opportunity for technologies that improve patient monitoring and quality of life. However, entering this market is far more complex than it appears. The regulatory pathways, particularly in Saudi Arabia, are notoriously stringent. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA, requires not just comprehensive technical dossiers, but often insists on localized clinical data to validate a device's effectiveness on their population. This is a significant hurdle for companies accustomed to leveraging their European or US data for global registrations. Beyond the initial regulatory approval, the real challenge begins. This is not a market where you can simply ship a product once it is approved. The competitive landscape is dominated by established players like Abbott and Dexcom. A new entrant like Roche must fight for every clinic and every patient. This battle is fought on multiple fronts. First is distribution. Establishing a reliable supply chain, especially for devices that may require specific temperature controls across multiple countries, is a logistical nightmare. It requires deep-rooted local partnerships. Second is the challenge of reimbursement and pricing. Navigating the different insurance provider formularies and public healthcare reimbursement schemes in countries like the UAE and Saudi Arabia is a full-time job. A superior product can fail if it is not accessible to patients financially. The most critical and often underestimated hurdle is physician and patient education. Endocrinologists are comfortable with the systems they know. Switching requires a compelling clinical reason and significant hands-on training and support. Companies must invest heavily in clinical specialists and educational programs to drive adoption and ensure the technology is used correctly. This is the hidden cost of market entry that goes far beyond the regulatory submission fees. Successfully launching a device like a CGM in the MENA region requires a holistic strategy that integrates regulatory approval, supply chain logistics, and a robust post-market commercial plan. For any medtech company looking to navigate these complex but rewarding markets, understanding these interconnected challenges is the key to success. If you are looking to map your strategy for the MENA region, feel free to contact us by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting pureglobal.com.